What's going on, YouTube? Just got home off work. Found there was a package in the mail. And I've been waiting on these for a while. So let's see. Let's have a look. I mean, damn. These things are beautiful. This is a 12-piece, I think, set from Japan. 6-point shallow, you know the deal. And it's got the detent spots, the dished area. They come on this rail too. It's like aluminum. I think that's aluminum. I mean, yeah, pretty sure that's aluminum. But that's what I was looking for. Made in Japan. The company's called Tone. But look at that. That's a pretty set. I don't care what nobody says. That's I don't care where they're made neither. That's a beautiful set. I got these to replace this set over here. These Craftsman. Not that set, but this set, I guess. Nope. This set. So I got one extra socket over there. I know these are 12-point, but I really don't have a need that often for a 12-point. Do they skip any sizes? Let's see. 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So if this is a 19, they don't skip any. Right? Yeah. Here's that. For comparison, I got that Baco set. Or Baco set. 3/8. Probably the most used one. It's going to be these two. For me, at least. But yeah. I like how they got this, it's not like a smooth finish on the bottom, but then it switches down here to the smooth finish on the bottom. I like that. The important part for me is that it has this the thing in the socket that makes sure you don't drive the corners of the fastener. It does. Yeah, this cost me well over what this entire 18-piece set costs. I got these for a deal, but you could check that out in another video. But this was like over $120. Shipping from Japan also took like a month or something. Maybe not a month, like 2 weeks, 2-3 weeks. But I like weird tools. I like having tools other people don't have. So, but if you want to take a look, I got the brand 3S. I guess that's what they call these. It's also in the part number on the front of the box. Japan 164. I don't. Is that the? What's this one say? 162. So I guess that's the part number. 3S. I don't. Let's see. HS 312. So yeah, if you guys want to have a look at the cost of these and see what they're all about, see how much you can get them for, I'll leave links in the description. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.